Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Bahamianunicorn, and today's video is going to be the last video of 2018, and I'm just going to do all of my December subscription boxes that I have not yet done. So that will entail IPSY, Sephora Play, and a brand new subscription box called YAS, OHYAS. So stay tuned and thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, the first subscription that we're going to unbox is actually YAS, OHYAS. And why? Because I actually did my makeup look with the with one of the items that is in the subscription. So this is how it came. I think they say they have an $80 value or something like that. I'm not sure. I'll have it somewhere on the screen. But first is the Cali Chic Beauty Creations eyeshadow palette. This is what I actually used to do my eye look tonight.
Let me come in closer so you guys can see.
Yeah, because like I said, I had intended to do video, but plans were not followed through. So this is how the palette looks. The eyeshadows are very pigmented. I love it. These are, it comes with a mirror. I'm gonna fold that back. These are the colors, and it's Venice, Malibu, Marina, Tanliness, Boardwalk, Sail, Sunset, Beach Babe, Laguna. First, I used Sunset as a transition or base color. And then I went in with Laguna to deepen in my outer crease. And then I used Malibu, which is right here on the lid. And then I went over it in the corner in the crease with Boardwalk. Next thing is Masquerade. Masquerade hydrating lip mask. I've never used one before. It feels hot. Next thing is the Bella Perry Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette. This is a correcting palette. Yes, it is a correcting palette. Trying not to blind you. It has purple, green, and orange. We have two more things left. And one of the two things is a angle brush. This is something I would do probably my highlight with or my contour. And then the last thing is the Kissable Liquid Lipstick. The color is dolled up. So this is the, why is this so easy to open? Why is this not closed? And this is how it looks. Oh, it's a creamy matte. It's a creamy liquid lipstick. This is how it looks. But that is it with the YAS, OHYAS subscription. Now, number two, I'm gonna go into the Sephora Play. And we have the paper that has everything that I got this. This is how the box looks. It has a nice Christmas packaging. I'm a freak for packaging, so I will be keeping this. And the first thing in the box that I'm taking out is the Murad Invisiblur Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 30. And I actually have this on my face now. I put this on around 9, and it's about 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. right now. And this is how my face looks. So, listen, this primer, this is very nice. This is very nice. My face isn't oily or anything like that. Another thing in the bag is the Murano Hair Care Blue Old Style Cream. I am interested to find out how this would work on natural hair. Okay, so they sent me the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. That's this. I am very interested in this because I haven't had any type of makeup remover, or I haven't used any. So I'm very intrigued by this. I'm going to use this tonight to remove my makeup. And then we have 3 more items. One is the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I'm gonna try this out and see if I'm gonna use my points to buy something like that, but I've always wanted to use the Too Faced primer. I just wish they would send bigger sizes. Well, hopefully one day your girl will be on Too Faced PR packaging list where I could be getting these things and reviewing these for y'all. Next we have, oh, I got another Tarte product. It's the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. I'll definitely be using that because I love mascaras. And the last thing in our Sephora Play box would be Trestique Mini Lip Glaze in Paris Pink, which is this. That is it right there. This is definitely not a color I would use. That is all I got in my Sephora Play box. The last thing I would be unboxing is my IPSY. Other than BOXY, this is the one I've been most excited for because I heard that people got 2 makeup brushes with this month's IPSY because it was December, so that was like the free gift. So let's get into this. So the first thing I pulled out, which was actually in this, is a brush from, it's something GLAM. It's an L36 brush. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is beautiful. Oh, this is soft. It's a tapered brush. It has the glittery plastic handle. And the 2 rhinestones right here. In love. Oh, this is the December bag. Wow, this actually could have gone on my outfit tonight. It's actually sequined, just like my outfit. But let's open it up. The first thing I see is the extra brush, the next brush. And this is a 35E brush. It's a blending brush, looks like. The handle feels a bit flimsy, but the bristles of the brush is very soft and I can use it for blending. What I should have taken out first, and this would be the card, is a check inside for a holiday gift to you, a bonus 6 GLAM bag product, which would have been the brush. And the next thing is a cake heavy cream, totally to die for, intensely smoothing body butter balm. Okay, so I've gotten cake body butters and body lotions from IPSY before, and I absolutely love them. Like, I use it to the last straw. Thing of them. Oh, this one smells so good, just like the last one. Oh, and it's really thick. The next thing we have is a superhero elastic stretch volumizing mascara, and this is how it looks. Let me just pop this open. This is how it looks. Ooh. Because for some reason I did not put on mascara today. Oh, I feel so much better now that I put on mascara. But that's how they look. 2 more things are in the bag. I have the lip fondant half caked called Power Trip. This is how it looks. And again, with the packaging, I cannot open. Ooh, which is like an orangey color, which is right up my alley. Ooh. It's a matte. This is my new favorite. That is it right there. And then the last thing in our bag is from the Balm. I have gotten another eyeshadow from the Balm before. This is how it looks. It's in the color Bootylicious. That's how it looks. It's a nice shimmery color. I could see myself putting it in on my lid because I'm more into shimmers now on my lid for some reason. That is my last 3 subscription boxes for the year. IPSY, Yes Oh Yes, and Sephora Play. I wish you all a happy new year, and I pray all your New Year's resolutions come true. And remember to always be you, because nobody else can. Don't go broke in 2019 pop styling for these niggas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.